Question 1 of this exercise is a simple question based on the integer number line. Here's what it says. The following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So we have this number line here on which the temperatures of 5 different places are marked on the number line. Now based on this number line, we have to answer these 4 accompanying questions that you see below. Let's go through them carefully one by one. In the first part, in part A, the question statement says, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So let's write the temperatures of all the places so this is what we have to do in part A. So the 5 places are Lahaul Spiti, which is the leftmost place on the number line. Then we have Srinagar. Then after that we have Shimla. And then we have Ooty, right? And finally we have Bengaluru. So we have these 5 places whose temperatures are marked on the number line. And what are those temperatures? So Lahaul Spiti is this point here. So this is 2 units to the right of -10. So this will be -8. Srinagar is this point here. So this will be -2. Shimla is this point here. So this will be 5. Ooty is this point here. 1 unit to the left of 15, so this will be 14. And Bengaluru is this point here, 2 units to the right of 20, so this will be 22. So let's write the 5 temperatures. Lahaul Spiti will have a temperature of -8 degrees Celsius. Srinagar has a temperature of -2 degrees Celsius. Shimla has a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius. Ooty has a temperature of 14 degrees Celsius. And Bengaluru has a temperature of 22 degrees Celsius. So these are the 5 temperatures marked on the number line. So this completes part A. Now let's come to part B. In part B, the question statement says, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So what is the hottest place? The hottest place will be Bengaluru because it is the rightmost place on the number line and its temperature is 22. And the coldest place will be Lahaul Spiti, the leftmost place on the number line, and the temperature of Lahaul Spiti is -8. Okay, so let's write this information. So the hottest temperature is 22 degrees Celsius, and this is the temperature of Bengaluru. And the coldest place is the coldest temperature is -8 degrees Celsius, and this is the temperature of Lahaul Spiti. Correct? And now we can find the difference. So the difference will be the 22 degree, this temperature, minus this temperature, which is -8 degrees Celsius. So the difference will be 22 degrees Celsius minus -8 degrees Celsius. So this is how we will calculate the difference. So this will be equal to 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius, because we have 2 minus signs, so we got a plus sign, and 22 plus 8 is 30. So we get 30 degree Celsius. So the difference of the temperature, hottest and coldest temperature, is 30 degree Celsius. So this is the answer for part B. Now we come to part C. In part C, the question statement says, what is the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar? So this is an easy one. Srinagar's temperature is this point here, which is -2, and Lahaul Spiti's temperature is this point here, which is -8. Okay, so let's write this information. So Srinagar has a temperature of -2 degrees Celsius, and Lahaul Spiti has a temperature of -8 degrees Celsius. And now the difference, to find the difference, we just have to subtract these temperatures. So the difference will be -2 degrees Celsius minus -8 degrees Celsius. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking the higher temperature, which is -2, and from this I'm subtracting the lower temperature, which is -8. Okay, so now this will become -2 degrees Celsius, and then we will get a plus sign. So we'll get plus 8 degrees Celsius, and -2 plus 8 is 6. So we will get 6 degree Celsius. So the temperature difference between Lahaul Spiti and Srinagar is 6 degree Celsius. So this is the answer for part C. And now we will finally come to part D, in which the question statement says, can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? So this is one question. And then we also have, is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? Okay, so let's solve this question now. So the temperature of Srinagar is, what is the temperature of Srinagar? So that's minus 2 degrees Celsius. So we're doing this is part D. Srinagar has a temperature of minus 2 degrees Celsius marked here, and Shimla has a temperature of 5 degrees Celsius. Correct? So Shimla is this point here, so this is 5 degrees Celsius. And now if we calculate the temperature of these two places taken together, so taken together, which basically means that we add these two temperatures, so this will be minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius, which is equal to how much? So minus 2 plus 5 will be 3. So this will be 3 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. The question is this less than the temperature of Shimla? Well, this the temperature taken together is 3 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. And yes, 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. So the answer for the first part is yes. And then the second part of the question is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? So the temperature taken together is 3 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. So in this case, the temperature taken together is greater than the temperature of Srinagar. So the answer to the second part of the question is no. Okay. So in part D, so we have just completed part D. The answer for the first part of the question is yes, and the answer for the second part is no. So that completes part D, and with this we have completed question number 1.
To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.